Hello, in this video, I'm going to perform a failover. First of all, if we have a data guard and for some reason we are not able to perform regular switchover to make a standby as a primary and primary as a standby for disconnections of data or losing of a main database, for example, in my case here. So what you will have to do as a failover. Failover, that's mean you will switch the standby to be a primary without having any standby for this prime. So let me open the alerts here in this window and let me try with regular startup. So in regular base, you may try just to start up your database. Will not work if you have a standby. However, you have to mount it and try doing a failover. We will see certain situation. I have a gap I can see here while trying to start up the database as a open, it's mounted successfully. But since the main primary database is not connected, this is still the database parameter showing that this is the standby, and they are not able to fill the gap and connecting to the primary database. That will let the startup fail. So let's perform certain action together to see how failover can be performed in our situation. You can see too many errors for the TNS since the primary is unreachable and there will be a gap as well. We are expecting a gap of archive logs and others. So it will try to start up the media and filling the gap. You can see TNS destination is unreachable. Let's see after the mount state what will happen, and we will perform the needed action. Alright, here we go. You can see too many errors, no chance to do a redo apply. It has been cancelled, and we are in this stage. So what we will do, let me shut down the database and open it in a mount stage, and then we will perform certain actions to do this. So in case primary is still available, you will perform different action. And in our case, since the primary is unavailable, we are going to perform a force action. So what's the action? If primary is available, you will flush all redo log to the target. You will make sure that all redo logs apply successfully. If not, you will fill the gap, whether manually or by using a commands to sync it again. And till that's being filled, you will do a failover where you will just go with the one direction from primary to standby, changing the role, and there will be no revert back for this uh, for this switchover. But in my case, as you can see, I am in a situation where database primary database is unavailable. So let me start in a mount stage. And what we will do, I will try with a normal failover steps and see how this will be, be, be evaluated here, or how it will be uh, configured here, whether it will work or not. In normal situation, what you will do alter database failover to standby DB name. So let's show enter name and see here. The database here is Oracle standby. So we clear this, switch, sorry, alter database, fail over to this one. We'll see whether this will work or not. Yes, so database being altered. In case this is not work, we have a force option as well. And in case there is a failure as well, we have another option where activate alter database, activate physical standby database. That will be in case we want to start it in standby with this one. Or we can use the force option. So after that, what we will do, normally alter database open. And it should be opened now without any error. Yes, it's been opened. You can see, select the status from the instance. It's open. Just shut down it normally, shut down, it, and started just to verify that this database become a normal database. It's monitor. It's advisable always to monitor the traces log while you perform any kind of activity. This kind of error can be eliminated by just making the parameter regarding the uh, primary and standby here, so changing the parameter to diver, taking out the destination to, and have a broker as well. Shutdown completed. Right, start up now. Let's see, it's work or not. Okay, mounted. Database open here. Broker will fail. Definitely we have to disable the broker and all other parameters regarding the Dataguard. However, we are expecting database to be open. Starting background, it's opened, and again, just to double check, select status from the database, sorry, the instance, and we can see it's in the open stage. So with this, we have performed a failover with the unavailability of source database, primary database, and it was successfully failed over to the standby database, and we changed the role. With this, we have completed this short video. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.